Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl V from Be About Town, and today I am back to share a what I wore to work and to play. So without further ado, we're going to jump down to business because you know I don't believe in wasting anyone's time. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first outfit, and that is the outfit I'm wearing. I have on this corduroy Banana Republic suit. The pants are cropped, they're tapered and then cropped, so they fall slightly above my ankle, slightly below my calf. I absolutely love this suit. It's one of my favorites. I'm, as you can see, wearing my J. Crew denim shirt. You've seen this before. I make great use out of all my clothes, but especially this shirt. I absolutely love it. I'm actually going to have to shop for something similar because I thought about it this morning and I'm like, what would happen if I wore this shirt to the ground, which I truly believe I will. And I've had it for a while, but I still feel like I should have another shirt that is denim, very similar in style, in my, arsenal, just in case. Anyhow, moving along, I'm wearing my Jap ankle boots in the cognac color. The heel is very interesting. You can see it's not exactly a cylinder, but it's like this metal with design to it. That's the best way I can put it. Very interesting shape, even though it's the shape or the height rather of the heel is, typical for ankle boot, a high ankle boot. But the interesting aspect comes into play with the design of it. It's really nice. And I think that's it besides this is not my band. This is just a square ring. I'm not sure what I did with my band. Who knows where it is? I'm hoping it's here at home because when we returned from DR, I could not place it. So I'm going to have to look through my luggage, search through my bag. I looked at my carry-on and I can't find it in there. So I don't know. I'm just going to have to continue the search and I'm hoping I have it somewhere safe. I just don't know what I could have done with it. So I'm hoping I did not lose it. Anyhow, that's not what this video is about, but I am sharing this ring because I feel naked without my band. I just put this on my finger, which is a square band. This is just a ring that I purchased because I like the style. And I have on some House of Harlow earrings, small hoop earrings that I got from TJ Maxx maybe 2 years ago. But House of Harlow, if you care, they sell really nice jewelry and you can always find pieces at TJ Maxx. And I said it before and I'll say it again because it's worth repeating. TJ Maxx absolutely has some really nice jewelry pieces. You can find a lot of dupe jewelry pieces, but in their own right, they have really good pieces. So check them out. Let's move on. Okay, so the next outfit I want to share that I wore to work is what I like to call my Capulet sweater. And I'll have the proper name in the description if the sweater is still available. It comes almost to my ankles and I call it my Capulet sweater because it has like that exaggerated neck that folds over. I got it from Naked Fashion on sale. I paired that with just a simple white tank top underneath it, my faux leather shorts from Banana Republic Factory, and I couldn't decide on a shoe because these shoes reside under my desk at work and I go between the two because I don't really like mixing metals unless the outfit and my accessories call or allow for it. It just cringe. So the shoes that best fit the outfit were my 9 West Valentino dupes. And I like the shoe, but I don't like how it looks on my foot. Sometimes it can make my feet look very big, and that's, yeah. So because of that, I like to switch to my Zara pointed studded toe shoes that you can see me kind of deliberating which shoe should I wear. Both of them, as I said, reside under my desk at work. So I actually just ended up putting on my Zara shoes. Okay, so another one of my favorite outfits, and this was just absolutely, I shared with you guys that I am a struggle bunny in the morning, but this actually came together quite nicely. I have on this sweater I just purchased on a Humble from Zara sale. Like, I just was scrolling online and on my phone, and I saw this sweater. I think it was like $25 I got on sale. I really love it. I got it, I want to say in an extra small, but it is very, very voluminous despite that. It has this like fringe at the bottom. I really, really like that sweater. And then I paired it with this another faux leather piece I have in my wardrobe. It is this chocolate colored, dark chocolate colored A-line skirt that I got from Mango, and it has a belt, but you can't see the belt, and you know, with the outfit the sweater covers the belt, but that's not the point. Just want to describe the skirt. And I have on my Carven, and the same, they go together really nicely, chocolate ankle boots by Carven. So that is the outfit that I have on there, and I have on some simple hoops and my band. I don't think I have on a bracelet or anything, do I? Because I feel like I wore this bracelet quite a lot. And these outfits, like, I feel like some of the pieces that I have on, not in terms of a band, but my earrings and bracelet, I feel like this is such a quick, like, I'm telling you, it literally, as I'm preparing for work, whatever is in sight is going on for accessories, especially because in my closet, I have like a dish where, you know, I take my jewelry off and sit it there, or by my bedside, I have another little dish, or tray rather, by my bedside on my nightstand that I keep pieces that I take off. So it's pretty much things that I have in heavy rotation, and so I can reach for it and just throw it on. My other pieces are pieces I wear like on vacation, or if I'm going out where I need to really go into the archive and find pieces. So these things are like readily available there. Quite frankly, if I'm being honest, sometimes, child, my band, it'll be right by my sink in the kitchen, especially because I wash dishes. I'll take my ring off and sit it right there next to the soap dispenser. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's move on to the next outfit. Child. So I absolutely love the outfit, but my students don't give me a moment, a minute, a nanosecond to like breathe. And I teach high school students. So it was like, what do you need now? It's my lunch break. Can I blow my nose in peace? Like, can I fix my hair? Like, I'm telling you. Anyway, you'll see in the video. Anyhow, this outfit, and I love my students. I love all my students, which is why they're always there, like, because they're so comfortable imposing. Anyhow, what I'm wearing, one of my favorite outfits to work, which I actually need to throw it on again, is this cohort, I guess you could call it a cohort, right? Outfit in gray from Mango. It's this skirt set, and the skirt is like this cargo, a slim fit midi skirt with a split up the front. Very nice. I absolutely love this outfit, and I paired it with my Zara studded toe flats. I have my two-tone earrings on, and I almost did like this, but I don't have them on today. Actually, really nice small earrings, really nice. Those earrings, like I said, they allow for mixed metals because they're two-tone. And I believe I have this bracelet on and my band. I keep looking. This is not my band. It's somewhere. I'm sure I'm going to locate it. Say a little prayer for me. It's somewhere about this house. Somewhere, hopefully. And that is that outfit. And I absolutely love that outfit. Very comfortable. And I like outfits like that that are easy to pull together. I love cohort sets when I can find ones that work for me. Not all of them work for me, but I love like looking pulled together and not doing too much. It's that too. You get it. You get it. Okay. So this outfit, another fave. Because you guys know how I feel about that Urban Revival sweater, that fuzzy sweater. This is my first time actually wearing it to work. I wore it before one other time when we went to see The Color Purple the day. Did we go on Christmas Day? Yeah, because we went to Alvin Ailey Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day we went to see Color Purple. Anyway, I wore it that day, but absolutely love it. I paired it with faux leather pants from Mango. I'm telling you, you can't tell me these pants aren't real leather. They, in my mind, are real leather, genuine leather. But these pants are by Mango. Had them for a minute. Let me tell you something. Mango for faux leather. And actually, Mango Outlet. Like, Mango Outlet. I know the girls go directly to Mango a lot of times, but I'm going to check me out some Mango Outlet because we have to conserve and preserve and reserve and all the herbs coin. So I got those from the Mango Outlet. I have on my Zara studded toe flats again because really nicely with the outfit. Did I have my two-tone earrings on that day? I want to say I did. It came to me. I have on those Bottega dupe earrings. Those triangular or triangle shaped earrings. Those are Bottega dupes. I got those about the same time that I got the bulbous Bottega like earring. Those are also dupes. And you guys would have seen them a ton of times in my vacation video because I think I put them with two different outfits. Anyhow, but these are kind of like the triangle shaped Bottega, except they don't have like I feel like the authentics, and I could be mistaken, but I feel like the authentic Bottega earrings that are triangular like those have Bottega stamped in them. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I'm not sure. And I'm tired. So I don't know for certain, but I feel like they do, unless I imagined that. Could have imagined it, but I don't think I did. Okay, this, one of my favorites. Dress Down Friday, Casual Friday. I wore this jumpsuit that is giving this like 80s edge, this 80s flair, like 80s feel from Banana Republic, and I absolutely love it. I saw, this always happens, so I'm going to put her name across the screen. Absolutely love her channel. She had this jumpsuit, and I love me some Banana Republic. When I saw it, I was like, Banana Republic, logged on and purchased. Let me just say something, and then I'm going to get to the outfit, I promise. But Banana Republic they are undergoing, and I feel like they've undergone, so let me not even say undergoing. They have undergone such a wonderful transformation in terms of their style. Such a resurgence in terms of their style. They're now doing like home decor. I think they're even doing furniture because they have a lot of like RH type of pieces in terms of furniture in the store. I know they sell pillows, pillow covers, different home decor pieces. just very luxurious feeling, and it just looks so good. So it just feels really good. And I'm here for it. I'm absolutely here for it. And I have to say, like, their flagship store in Rockefeller Center, their store in Soho, almost all the Banana Republic stores I've ever gone into in Manhattan, for the most part, have always felt like really good. Not like a rinky-dink like store or anything. I've always felt good, especially going into the Rockefeller Center store. But now even more so than ever, as I said, really, you can really see that they have thought about, you know, how they're going to rebrand without losing their identity. Because I really feel like you still get that, like, you know, safari, expedition, explorer feel, but in a more sophisticated way. Like, yes, I'm going on an expedition. That's because my passport is tatted up, not because, you know, you think you are Indiana Jones. But you get where I'm going. I just absolutely love the feel of Banana Republic. But anyway, before I like go off continuously on a tangent I'm already on, I wore this jumpsuit and I absolutely love it. I should have got it in a bigger size, but I'll survive. I want to say it's still available if you're interested. I should have got a 6. The size I'm wearing is a 4. I think see, the problem is because I'm smaller up top, sometimes I overestimate or underestimate how something is going to fit me. So while it fits perfectly up top, I could stand for more space at the bottom. I am considering getting the size 6 only because I don't want those moments where I might go up a couple pounds to feel like I'm the Hulk. You know what I mean? Even though pretty much I won't feel that way up top, I will feel that way down low, and it's not a good look. But anyway, that is the outfit I wore for Casual Friday. I'm going to leave you guys now to look at the weekend outfit that I already shared. If you follow me, you might have seen it. You might have seen it. But anyway, let's go. Hey guys, quick outfit check of the day. It's raining. We're headed to Brooklyn to hang out. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. I have on my overcoat by Karen Millen. I have on some horseshoe denim by Shop Akira. Great dupe for the Citizen of Humanity jeans. Then I also have on this turtleneck in the same color of my overcoat, and it's by French Connection. These boots that are very Western inspired, and they are dupes of the Isabel Marant boots. You saw this in a previous haul. Dupe Boyy dumpling bag, cashmere hat, and Longchamp shades, and that is the outfit of the day. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Please let me know what you thought of the outfits I managed to pull together for work and actually to play. Also, we can't forget about that. Please remember to like, share, and consider subscribing. And until next time, as always, take great care. Bye.